Thank you to all of us.
Maayong gabi sa tanan. Pasensya na kayo kasi konti lang ho yung marunong mag-Bisaya. So, siguro Taglish, English at saka Tagalog kasi sa Muntinlupa naman ho kami lumaki, as you know, from all the anecdotes at saka introduction ni Erlinda. First of all, gusto ko pasalamatan lahat ng dumalo ngayong gabi para i-celebrate ang 95th birthday ng Mami. You have made all of us, in behalf of my siblings, nandito po si Georgie at saka si Awi, mga siblings ko po na, mga brothers ko na nasa Manila, si Third at saka si Erwin, at saka si Christine na nasa New Jersey. So in behalf of all my siblings, I would like to express our gratitude and thanks to all the friends and the relatives who came and took the time off to celebrate with this happy occasion with us. Hindi ko mapapantayan, we cannot express how happy we are, how grateful we are, and we're so happy na yung mga maraming sa inyo na years bago ulit tayo nagkasama-sama na nakita-kita ulit tayo. I would like to mention specifically certain people who made this occasion memorable. First of all, I would like to thank the Dimiao Children's Choir, tama ba? As I told them earlier, first song pa lang nila, I was so impressed. They were so talented. All the songs were so joyful. I was smiling all throughout the mass because smiling faces, angelic voices, and of course, through the tutelage word ni Auntie Elvira, Madhus Magadan, kailangan i-mention ang Madhus, and of course, the husband of my cousin Erlinda, Julie. Thank you very much for the wonderful music. I would also like to thank the children of Julie and Lynn, G5, I guess.
G5 plus 1.
G5 plus 1. May isang missing, right? So thank you very much for the wonderful music, the beautiful songs. We enjoyed it very much. Of course, special thanks to Erlinda, keeping the pace brisk and entertaining everybody with her smart anecdotes and comments and everything. Lahat po ng maraming mga tao ho ang tumulong sa amin to make this happy occasion a memorable one. I would like to also specifically thank my cousin Janelle, nasaan si Janelle? And Marilyn na sila po ang nag-decorate ng beautiful stage. Kagabi pa po ata sila nag-umpisa mag-decorate. So I would like to thank you very much. And it's very beautiful. So maraming salamat. Sa akin pong mga pinsan, I would like to mention specifically 3 special cousins. All my cousins are special. Pero
3 Musketeers.
3 Musketeers po kasi po sila po ang nauunang dumamay sa amin in happy times and not so happy times. Unang-una po, my cousin Julius he has always shown kindness and also being thoughtful, especially to the whole family and especially to mommy and daddy. And sinabi ko nga po sa mga kapatid niya, hindi ko po malilimutan na nung nagkasakit po si daddy na na-opera, ang sinabi po niya, iuwi natin sa Dimiao si Nung Dodong kasi ma-shorten, maging mabilis ang recovery kasi kakain ng kinilaw at saka yung fresh
Fresh air.
air from the dagat. So, I really appreciate it because initiative ni Julius na madali gumaling si Daddy after his operation. Secondly, I would like to acknowledge my dear cousin Dodong from the UK. It was really surprise po sa akin because ang alam ko po hindi siya dadating kasi nalaman ko lang po on the day that he arrived in the Philippines, tumawag po sa bahay on May 10, birthday ni Mami, Mother's Day. And the next thing he told me, babati lang ako ng happy birthday sa daddy, kay Mami. And then to tell you na nandito na ako sa Terminal 3 at nag-iintay na ako ng flight for Dimiao. So sabi ko, I'm so happy. Hindi mo alam kung, I was so excited na nandito siya. So I know, he moved heaven and earth too, just to be here with us. And of course, I would like to mention specifically my cousin, but quote-unquote brother, kasi kamukha po ng aking late brother Raymond. Ang cousin ko from LA, the lechon pork belly king of Artesia, California. Nasaan ang cousin ko? Si Eljen Madhos, na yun po ang isa rin sa tumutulong sa family. You don't have to say anything. Psychic po siya. Kung alam mo, kailangan namin na tulong, nandyan siya parate. So, parang kapatid ko na po yan. That's the fact na kamukha po siya ni Raymond. So, you know, words cannot express na mahal na mahal ko po yung cousin ko na yan. All my cousins, I love them all. But I would just like to mention these three people na I don't know how to express my thanks. But again, maraming salamat po sa, before I forget, our blogger, picture taker, videographer, singer pa pala, na ngayon po, ano pala, dancer. So, our very special Mark Madhos Monton. So, sana po mas mahaba pa ang ating pagsasama. But, you know, maawa ang Diyos, magkita-kita pa po tayo ulit. So, pohon. And I wish all of you a good night, safe night. And again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Ate Pepon.